the earth in Thailand offers amazing treasures to those willing to explore. To go further into our exploration of Thailand, all we needed was a trek in the jungle near Chiang Mai. Our guide, his name was Ping, led us through the jungle to an old village lost in the countryside. After a well-earned meal shared with the local kid, it was time to navigate through the rush of river rapids aboard a rustic boat crafted by Ping himself. Downstream, elephants awaited us. This sanctuary, like the dozens around Chiang Mai, provided a breathtaking experience of meeting these majestic animals. At the end of the day, we enjoyed our dinner at a local market. Observing the cook was fascinating, and of course, the result was equal to our hopes. Thai food is exceptional. Now it is time to move south and explore other aspects of Thailand.